What I'd like to show you is our integration with the MailSecur system. What this allows us to do is to use a millimeter wave technology, which is safe in comparison to common solutions today like X-ray for looking at potential threats that come through the mail, with the additional advantage that there are more than just looking for things like metals and weapons and guns. With this solution, we can detect liquids, powders, we can get to weapons and explosives. There's an option for integrating and having radiation detection as well, and then other suspect material. But one of the other advantages is this is a type of technology where some things are very easy to see and clear, and there's others where you'll now have included with this device the ability to have an EOD service, an expert who knows how to look for things like, particular wires or a firing pin or the certain attributes of explosives that a common person isn't going to be able to understand. And then through our partnership with MailSecur, we've now also integrated with our Secure 9000 and Victor unified access and video solution. So we can now add a level of automation for how we respond, right? And the bottom line is, when it comes to how fast that you can respond to and prevent things, that's a matter of how we save lives and protect assets. So what I'm going to go through now is a demonstration where we're going to introduce what here is a simulated pipe bomb, and you're going to see very quickly this is not the easiest of the objects to identify. So as I bring this under the scanner, I can certainly see here, that there's a mass object in there. Not quite sure what that is, and so I'll start to go through the review of, but what you're going to note is right away on our command center, just by the fact that we've put something under the hood here through our Illustra camera, which integrates and gives us the motion detection under the hood, that I can bring up exactly what the person who's doing the scanning is seeing on the MailSecur screen. They can see what's happening in the movement under the hood and any of the related cameras in the area. So very good situational awareness. And then I can start to go through, move the package around, review. I have the ability, if I want to get, a crisper understanding of the size of the object and the structure, and then I can go to outline. I can go to other types of views, for instance, like thermal, to look for potential power sources and heat signatures, and again, other things that help me identify this. But this is a perfect example of where I would be able to connect to the EOD service, where they could come in. They could view also what I'm doing, give me advice on different things to look for, and help me confirm whether this is indeed a threat. And once we've reached the point of identifying that we actually do have a potential threat here, then I would simply come in to initiate a potential explosive alert. So as soon as I hit submit here through our web services integration, and immediately you see the event activate within the Secure Victor platform. And because this is an explosive, and we don't want to put other people in harm's way, we now deploy our Tyco security robot completely autonomously, which knows to deploy to the mailroom, and then gives us our dome camera with a 40x optical zoom that we can get and look at, analyze, share this information with the bomb squad and authorities, and make sure that everything we do is as safe as possible with responding to this event. And once all the proper handling has been done and we've secured this, then we simply come in and acknowledge this alarm within Secure Victor. And by doing that, the command center wall turns back to its normal, and the robot knows the mission is over, and it will either go on to its next priority event or back to the charging station. So this is one incredible example of how we can now extend the physical security and security operations center to all different types of threats that can come in through the mailroom. And we're very excited about that partnership.